What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Brinks, and happy Vlogmas! I've lost count of like what Vlogmas we're actually on right now, you guys, but it will be in the caption. Of course, it'll be in the caption. So, there we go. So, this Vlogmas is actually an unboxing. Well, not really a complete unboxing, but somewhat of an unboxing from some decor from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Amazon. So I'm actually going to start off with my Walmart first because I didn't really get much from Walmart. But you guys either know it or you don't. But my living room theme this year is going to be Black Magic. So it's everything Black inspired, literally. Our whole culture, heritage inspired. So of course my colors are going to be gold, red, green. I'm going to throw in some black, and I'm going to throw in some white too, just to add the little extra itch. But the only thing that I'm lacking right now, you guys, is actually a tree skirt. But I'll probably find one at Walmart tomorrow, but I don't know. So from Walmart, I got these pretty ornaments, you guys. They're all red and green. It's literally 18 in here, 9 on each side, and they were $6. $6. Of course, also from Walmart, which you can't go into Walmart and get and not get, I got some garland. I got like 2 things of this garland. Like, I didn't get really much from Walmart, but like, I feel like that's it. I got 2 things of garland. Yeah, that is all I got from Walmart, y'all. Wow. All right, y'all. So that is all I got from Walmart for real. I just realized that. So we're gonna just go ahead and move into the Amazon one. So from Amazon, for one, my beautiful gold tree, you guys. You remember last year it was silver, this year is gold. Don't mind the window, you guys. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to leave that there or put something else up there. But we have our gold tree yesterday. We also have some Black girl inspired ornaments. Like, how cute is these, y'all? And they're like they're so freaking cute. All different types. And not only do I have those, I actually have some other ones as well. Like Mrs. Claus. It's so cute, y'all. These are so freaking cute. Like, I just cannot contain myself. And then I just thought these were the most adorable ornaments, like, ever. Like, how cute is these, y'all? And if you're interested in like seeing what these are, I will leave the link in the description below. I know he has some little, yeah, there it is, little boy elves. They're so cute. But I will try to leave the link in the description below for you guys, just so you can purchase your own if you're interested in like doing this whole theme for your house. Like, they're so cute. But yeah, you guys, I was really excited, and this is not a theme that I'm used to doing, so I was like, yeah, that would be interesting. So of course those are going to go the living room tree. I got this little cute pink pastry looking train set. This is actually going to go on the tree in the kitchen, you guys, which I'm excited about. Like, first time ever doing something in the kitchen with a tree. These are stickers, of course. You guys remember me putting these on like the floor and the walls last year. Same thing this year. This is a door cover. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that this one will go, I want to say, in the hallway, either on the third room door or on my door, but I'll know more once I open it up. This is another one I think this one is the Black Sienna. And I will be including pictures of this so you guys see it completely unfolded, y'all, and not be clearly in the dark about like what I'm showing you. But I think that was my Black Sienna door cover. And of course it's going to go in here on the living room door. This is another roll of stickers, wall vinyl. This one has like a nice size little Christmas tree vinyl that I'm going to utilize in the hallway. And then it comes with like little ornaments and stuff that you can put on it. But again, I will include a picture right there, you guys, so you can see what actually is all in there. I have bedding for my room. Really girly fashionista. It's going to be pink and white. Silver, pink, white, and silver. It's like a duvet set. Really, really cute. You guys can see what this looks like actually. Right there. This is bathroom stuff. I think, is it? Let's see. Yep. It's the bathroom set, you guys. You know how you have the Santa, and then I think it's a snowman. It's a Santa and a snowman toilet cover and a rug. I don't know if I'm not going to use them or not though, because I have this really, really cute bathroom set that I bought, and I don't feel like it's going to go with it completely, but we'll see how it turns out, you guys. Again, picture of what that looks like right there. This is another door cover. Gingerbread, I believe. Looks like gingerbread. And edibles. Yep, I see the candy cane. So, and then this one, I already showed you guys this one, didn't I? Is another door cover. This is what my bathroom thing looks like, you guys. And you can kind of get a picture of, oh, I thought I had a picture on the outside, but it doesn't. But it's kind of like a city overlooking like a Christmas display. It's really, really cute. If you guys can kind of tell from just that little picture right there. It's actually really, really cute. But that is pretty much all I had from my Amazon. No, it's not. I had to get some green poinsettias, of course, for this tree in here. Those are going to go in the tree as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my Amazon, you guys. Now we're moving on over to Dollar Tree. We had white poinsettias. I got some red poinsettias as well right here. They're cute. I got green cute Christmas tree, because what I want to do is I want to take TK's train table that he doesn't even use and kind of make like a cute little display with it. And I was thinking about putting like the trees down there, the little village down there, and you know, just making it kind of Christmassy. I found this cute little elf. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it, but he's gonna go somewhere. He's gonna go somewhere. Of course, they had some black Christmas ornaments. I got a couple of those Santas. I got a couple of the elves. This is really cute. Really, really cute. I got a couple of those. A couple of these. Some more poinsettias. Some door hooks. Some actual colored ornaments. Those will not go in here though. Those will probably go in the third room or in my room. We have some rose gold and then some white. On this one, we have all golds. On this one, that's one of the things that I really like about Dollar Tree, y'all, because they offer you all types of ornaments and color varieties, and the varieties are like always perfect. Like gold and white, red and silver, red and gold, blue and gold, blue and silver. Some stuff for the little village that I was thinking about making, like houses and everything. Just like perfect stuff. I think I spent like $70, y'all. Sue me. I always wind up spending more than what I'm supposed to. And then I got some aloe waters. I love aloe water, y'all. If y'all have not tried aloe water, I highly recommend it. Like, it's one of my favorite things to drink. Especially the ones that come with the little pieces in it, and I honestly don't even think that this one has it in there. I think this is just the plain aloe water, which if it is, it's gonna make me mad because that's not what I was going for. We got this gold bowl. I don't know what I'm gonna put it on, probably the fireplace, but it's definitely probably gonna go in here. We have green and red. I think this is gonna be the tree topper for my gold tree. We have a straight red one. Thinking about possibly putting that one in either the third room or in here. And then I have another green and red one. Some more poinsettias. Some red and green garland. Now, I was not planning on using garland, but I see I bought garland anyway. A red and silver tree. Like, y'all, they have all this cute stuff that you're missing out on. Like, if y'all have not been to Dollar Tree lately, I highly recommend to go check out their Christmas section. You guys will not regret it. Signs. Y'all, like, come on. Come on. But, yeah. Wreath holders. And then, like, just some more houses and stuff. Like, y'all know I go overboard. Like, I'm really prepared. I'm ready. And then I got some like water flavor packets to go with my water, like 3 different types. They had the little fences. Y'all know I'm really creative. But yeah, y'all, that is all that I got. Like, that's literally everything, y'all. So I'm going to start putting the living room together. That will probably be the next Vlogmas after this one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys all of that. Living room is going to have red and green lights on it. I have to find a tree skirt, told y'all about that. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas, this unboxing. Like, I'm so excited, y'all. So excited for this new video because I'm mostly just using things that I have. Like, the only real things that I bought were like this little stuff from Dollar Tree, that stuff from Amazon, and that was it, y'all. I didn't buy any new inflatables to go outside. Of course, I bought the 2 trees, but I didn't buy any additional small ones. I didn't do none of that. And last year, like, I was overboard, y'all. Like, I bought the 4 inflatables. I bought the 2 tables, the 2 tray tables, the y'all know what I bought. Like, we're not even about to get into that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for the next episode of Vlogmas. See ya. Why are you so cute?